Hi besties, welcome back to the channel where we turn bills unpaid into money saved and give your budget the reality check. Today, I'm showing you 10 ways to cut back on costs in 2025 because some of you are out here trying to live a soft life on a dry toast budget. Let's fix it. 1. Don't get the car, get the common sense. Before you go financing a brand new car to impress your neighbours, remember, it depreciates faster than your willpower on a diet. Get a reliable 3 to 5 year old car that gets you from A to B without your bank balance going into cardiac arrest. Second lifestyle creep. Just got a raise? Love that for you. But don't go upgrading your life like you're suddenly royalty. Keep your expenses cute and humble. You can celebrate success without buying the entire Zara website. This can slowly drain your finances without you even noticing. Oh, I worked hard for this, I deserve it. Don't let that emotion fool you. Yes, you deserve to treat yourself, but within reason. 3. Don't be housebroke and emotionally broke too. Yes, you want the dreamy 4-bed semi with the walk-in wardrobe. But if the mortgage makes you eat beans and tears for dinner, you're house poor, babe. House poor. Stay within your means so you can afford furniture and food. 4. You're not Barclays, HSBC or NatWest. Stop giving out loans. We love our friends and family, we really do. But if your wallet is wheezing, maybe don't sponsor everyone's emergency like you're on GoFundMe. Set boundaries and stop paying people's bills while yours are overdue. You can't save others from a lifeboat that's already sinking. If you have the capacity to do so, then go ahead and give, but don't give what you can't afford to lose. It can cause a rift in relationships, especially if they can't pay it back. This also includes you not being a guarantor for someone, because if they can't pay back, the lender will look at you to pay back. 5. Subscription madness. You're paying for Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, the gym, and that meditation app you haven't opened since 2022. Cancel half of it. You're not even meditating, you're panicking. 6. Cook something, Gordon. If Uber Eats knows your location better than your mum does, we've got a problem. Start meal prepping. Learn 3 go-to meals. You don't need a Michelin star, just a frying pan and a bit of willpower. 7. Second-hand doesn't mean second class. Before you pay full price, check Vinted, eBay and Marketplace. People are out here selling designer jackets for £20 because they wore it once in 2018. It's not being cheap. It's being financially strategic and fashionably sustainable. Period. 8. Grocery store trap. You go in for oat milk, come out with candles, 3 meal deals, and a treat for making it to Wednesday. Make a list, stick to it, and don't shop like it's a surprise party. Own brands slap. Loyalty cards exist. Use them. 9. Stop treating yourself like you're a big shot celebrity. Yes, you work hard, but no, you don't deserve a £90 self-care haul every weekend. Treats are fine, but if I deserve this keeps you in overdraft, you might need to deserve a budget. 10. Track your coins. If you don't know where your money's going, it's going out the window. Download an app. As mentioned before, Plum, Monzo and Emma. Make a spreadsheet. Get a tracker from Etsy. Whatever it takes to stop saying, "Where did all my money go?" every 27th of the month. Listen, your budget doesn't need vibes, it needs boundaries. Drop a comment and tell me which one you're starting with. Like this video if your bank card ever declined while you knew there was money. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We've got more financial glow-ups coming.